Pinecones are natural and biodegradable, making them an eco-conscious choice for decoration. You can gather them from nature instead of buying plastic decor, promoting zero waste living. They are free and easily available, especially in autumn and winter. You can decorate a few addition of things and you can make a masterpiece. A few pine cones can beautifully transform your home with minimal cost. Decorating pine cones with paint, glitter, and fabric is a fun DIY family activity. Helps improve creativity, imagination, and fine motor skills, especially for kids. So, in this video, we have shared some amazing and beautiful ideas of decoration for this upcoming season with pine cones. Pine cones bring a rustic, cozy, and woodland charm to any room. Perfect for Xmas autumn or farmhouse style decor. Crafting with pine cones encourages mindfulness and calm. Focusing on calm, small creative details helps reduce stress and anxiety. A wonderful way to connect with nature, enjoy peaceful moments with your family. Making pinecone crafts together creates quality time and memorable experience. Children learn patience, creativity, and care through hands-on crafting. Pinecone can absorb and hold essential oil, turning them into a natural air fresheners. Perfect for adding a gentle forest like sand to your home. Pinecones symbolize growth, renewal, and resilience. A reminder of nature's beauty and life cycles. Adding them to your decor brings a positive and grounding energy to your space. So, what do you think about that? These ideas are perfect for your pinecones home. So, lovely crafter, in today's video we are diving in the world of very beautiful pinecone decoration, one of the simplest and most natural ways to make your home feel cozy, mindful, and full of nature's charm. Pinecones are not just decoration, they are symbols of growth, harmony, and peace. So let's explore how these tiny treasures from nature can transform your home, your mood, and your family time. First, let's talk about why pinecones decorations are eco-friendly. Unlike plastic ornaments, pinecones are natural, biodegradable, and sustainable. When you use pinecones for decor, you are helping the planet by reducing waste and supporting more eco-conscious lifestyle. You can collect them during the family walk, clean and dry them, and turn them into stunning art pieces. So they blend beautifully with jute, burlap, wood, or scraps, adding a rustic and organic touch to your living space. Pinecone are also a budget-friendly miracle. You don't need to buy expensive ornaments when nature gives you something so elegant for free. With just a few simple materials, some twine, glitter, paint, or ribbon, you can make a centerpiece, wall hanging, or Xmas ornaments. Each piece looks unique, personal, and full of heart. So even on a small budget, you can create a home that looks warm, living, and festive. Now let's move to one of the my favorite parts, the mindfulness of crafting. When you sit down to decorate pine cones, you enter a calm, peaceful space, your hands move gently, your mind slows down, and you start focusing only on the moment. This kind of creative activity helps reduce stress, improves focus, and brings a feeling of inner peace. It's like meditation through art. Children especially love painting and decorating pinecone. It helps them learn patience, creativity, and attention to detail while having fun. Pinecones decorating isn't just a craft, it's a beautifully family bonding activity. You can sit together with your kids, spouse, or friends and spend time making something meaningful. Imagine a cozy evening, warm lights, soft music, a table full of pinecone colors and ribbons, and everyone creating their own unique designs. These little moments become lifelong memories. It teaches children the value of togetherness, creativity, and love. And when you display their handmade pinecone decoration around your home, it's filled the space with warmth and pride. And amazing benefits, pinecone hold fragrance. You can add a few drops of essential oil like cinnamon, pine, or lavender to turn them into natural air fresheners. They will fill your home with a gentle, refreshing scent, much healthier and more soothing than artificial spray. The aroma of pine is also known to relieve stress and uplift mood, making your environment feel more peaceful and joyful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly, creative, and mindful craft ideas. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, keep crafting and with love.